Hey everyone, back on the TRS-80. Fourth time has to be the charm, right? I mean, it just couldn't possibly get worse. So let's play Biorhythm again. Go with October 10th, 1988. And we'll start on January 1st, 1989. And I'm not really sure what this game is supposed to be doing. But I guess you can kind of see it just playing out there. And we're going to go ahead and press E and return back. And let's just kick out another birth date here. Here we go. So this is Biorhythm. It's a game I programmed into BASIC, and I'm honestly not sure what this is supposed to be kicking out, but it's just going through what appears to be a date range, and I guess it's just charting it out. So interesting. I'm not sure why the year is flipping back and forth, 99 and 55, but I guess there's January 1st of 56. It's also showing 1999. I'm not sure if I typed something in wrong or what the case may be, but kind of cool. I mean, it was worth the absurd amount of time that I put into typing in this basic program. But why don't we go ahead and, just for fun of it, just show you guys. We'll go ahead and go list our program. And that is what I typed in, and only had to make a few corrections when I ran it. So that's Biorhythm in BASIC on the TRS-80. Hopefully you guys found this interesting or mildly entertaining. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll have more interesting TRS-80 content in the future.